So when you say routed traffic, you need a router. Okay, so ira-route niya dito yung packet, yung frame, and then papasok dito, it will convert into packet. Then meron ditong routing table. Let's say galing ka dito sa PC, which is an IP address 10.10. So hanapin niya yung sub-interface.10. Okay? And then let's say piniping mo 20.20. He will look up the table of the routes. Then makikita niya sa table, yung VLAN 20 na yon is sitting on subinterface.20. So ira-route niya dito yan. So pupunta siya sa VLAN 20, papasok dito. So this interface 5 to 8, port number 5, 6, 7, 8, andun yung PC natin. So mapiping niya to. Okay? Malinaw ba? Malinaw? So gagawin niyo yan for 30 minutes ha. 30 minutes, lalab nyo to. So paano yung lab? So ito na. So manood na kayo. You need to perform this lab. Kailangan nila. So checking ko mamaya. I wanna examine. Sabihin ko, pakiping punta sa workstation 3, pakiping si workstation 5. Okay? So first of all, you need the layer 2 switch. Layer 2. Okay? And then you need 3 workstation. So first, second, third. Bakit naging 4, 5, 6? Kasi gamit na siya. So close the old packet tracer. Open a new one. So ganun, ano? Close nyo yung luma. Otherwise, maling workstation number mo kuha niya. So if you would like to get workstation 3, so gamit labas muna kayo ng 1. Ano, 0 yan eh. 1. No? Susunod 2. Ito, tsaka nyo ilabas ng 3. Okay? Workstation 3. Workstation 4 para hindi confusing. Workstation 5. Okay? Malinaw ha? Workstation 3 has an IP address of, so ganito mag-configure. Teka, na-record ko ba to? Ayan, recording na pa. So, go to fast internet. Gawin nyo itong lab na to, no? Kasi you won't be able to ask me question during working kasi may work din ako. So, 192.168, subnet 10. Okay, doon ako kumukuha. IP address 10. Automatically, na-detect niya as /24. Now, this time, you need a gateway. So, kailangan lagyan mo ito ng gateway. Punta kayo ng interface. Gateway. So, what will be the gateway? It will be 10.1. Ito naman, 20.1. Ito, 13.1. Okay? So, this time, gagamit na tayo ng router to route packets. Layer 3, no? So, 192.168.20.20. Yun lang, yun lang. Sorry, PC3 pala dito ako. 10. 10.1. Ganun, no? Kasi this will be the router's IP. So, close. Next is 4. Lagyan ng IP. Paano maglagay? Ganito. So, punta ka lang sa gateway. So, ano gateway nito? Anybody? .1. Okay? Gagawin nyo to. Mag-comment na kayo. .1. Then, interface. What will be the static? 192.168.20.20 subnet /24. Malinaw. So, ganun ano? Sino may question? Sino may question? So far, wala naman. Okay. Workstation number 5. Gateway. So, what will be the gateway nito? Mr. Tatanong ako. So, Adrian. Sir Adrian, what will be the gateway of Workstation 5? 30.1. Okay, ganun lang ha. Then IP address is 192.168.30.30. Okay, so verify. So that's the first step you need to do. Verify may IP, okay? Next, you need to connect to the switch. So we need to connect this one to the switch. Na? Lagi nakatap to. Hirap tanggalin. Baba ako nga. So ganito connectivity. Nakita nyo? Fast Ethernet 0 to 2.4. So lagyan natin ng switch. So I'm gonna use straight through. Kasi ako kakabit? Anywhere between 2 to 4 or 2, 3, 4. No? So lalagay ko sa 2. Malinaw. Kasi yung VLAN 10 is using member 2 to 4, no? 2, 3, 4. Malinaw. Ito namang workstation 4, saan ko ipapasok? Alex Angeles. Itong workstation 4, saan ko ipapasok? Anong port number sa switch?
3, sir. Pwedeng 3.
That's good. Kasi nakalagay na. Ay, hindi pwede 3, pare.
Ay,
Ayun
4,
nga,
okay,
oh.
okay, 4.
We assign to port number 5 or 8. Okay? Doon yun na papasok. Else, kasi i-add nyo to sa VLAN 20. Interface 5678, di ba? So, dito kayo papasok, workstation 4. So, papasok kong workstation 4. Papuntang, saan, Christian? Anong port number? 5.
5.
Okay, okay. Workstation 5 naman, Francis, saan ko ipapasok? Anong interface? Yung may VLAN 30. 9. Tama, tama. Sa may interface designation siya. So, tawag dito VLAN membership, no? So, ayan. So, tama na yan. And then, dito na tayo sa next diagram, which is inter-VLAN. Okay, so dito tayo sa router. So, we need a router. So, you're gonna put a router here. So, kunin nyo na lang 2960. Ano ba bang available meron? 2960 lang, XM. Okay, just get 2960. And then, tandaan nyo, take note, fast Ethernet 0, ha? So, dun nyo connect. Nakita nyo to? So, mataba siya. So, router to switch, what will be the cable? Straight through, no? Fast Ethernet 0 to, saang port ko ikakabit, Nico? Saang port ng switch, Nico? O si Nino na lang. Nino. Anong port number ko kakabit to? As per diagram.
0,
Sir,
sir.
1.
01, tama. Okay? Kasi one misconfig, this won't be successful. So, tawag dito, router on stick. As you can see, yung router nakatuhog lang doon. Okay? Kita yung red kasi interface down pa siya. Okay? And then gagawa tayo ng sub interface dito. No? So, ganito gagawin natin. So, pasok kayo sa router, command line interface. Type no. Okay? Type no lang. Then we have to create these sub-interfaces such as 0.1, 0.10. So I'm going to use magnifying glass. So 1, 10, 20, 30. Malinaw? So router, to go to supervisor mode, enable. Show IP in brief to display interface. I only have one interface. Don't worry, isa lang naman yung gagamitin natin. So, show run. Just want to show you, walang laman yung IP address. So, lalagyan natin ng IP address ta. No? To go to configuration mode, config terminal, pasok sa interface 00. Okay? Okay, so I'm inside interface 0. Napapasok ako sa interface, sub-interface 0.1. Yan. So, nandun ako sa loob ng sub-interface. Malinaw. And then, I'm gonna create VLAN 1 and VLAN subnet IP with an IP address. Anong IP address nito? Yan. 192. So, dito ako VLAN 1, so .1. So, meaning sub-interface to. Isang kable lang, pero ang dami. So, 1.1. Malinaw. So, lalagyan natin ng IP address to. So, IP address 192.168.1.1/24. Okay, ganun lang So configuring IP on LAN is only allowed if sub-interface already configured part of IEEE. So that means you need to invoke encapsulation 802.1q. Tatandaan nyo encapsulation 802.1q. Again, ano uli ang encapsulation ni 802.1q? So it can route different VLAN. Okay? Ba't walang question mark? Ayan. Sa tawag, sabi dito, what will be the VLAN ID? So you can put VLAN 1 to 1005. Malinaw. So since this is encapsulation dot one, sabi interface, I'm gonna put dot one queue. Okay? Yun lang. And then no shot to power on. Don't worry, nasa book to. Then do show run. Punta ka sa interface 0. Ayun, no? Yung interface 0 has no IP address. Hindi nyo gagalawin yan. Okay? Yung sub-interface .1 is using, naku, ba't walang IP address? Hindi ko pa lalagyan, no? .1 Q native. Okay? And then, lagyan natin ng IP address. 192.168.1. So, ito yung gateway. I'm creating a gateway. No shot. Then, do show run. Okay? Let's check kung nagawa nga natin tama. Ayun. Ayan. So, may IP address na, no? Sa ganun, ano? Isa-isahin nyo. And then, next step, .10. Next one, .20. Next one, .30. Malinaw. Ganun lang, no? Isa pa. Tulungan nyo ako this time. I would like to create this interface, .10. Ito yung ginagawa ko, ha? Ayan, o. .10, 20, 30. Okay? So, ano una kong gagawin? Anybody? Tatawag na ako. Talagang matututo kayo dito sa Nexus. Kasi magtatawag ako. Hirap naman i-magnify nito. Okay, so what will I do? Paano gumawa ng sub-interface 10? Mr. Raymond Christopher Ibarra. Sige, demo muna ako. So, create a sub-interface. So, gawa ka ng sub-interface 0.10. Malinaw. And then, invoke encapsulation. Encapsulation .1Q VLAN 10. And then, that's the only time you can put IP address. So, ano tong IP address na to? Gateway yan. Gateway. Then, do not, ano nalimutan ko? Anybody? John Arvin. Sabi, incomplete command. What did I forgot?
Subnet, sir.
Galing! Ayan ang estudyante. Nexus. Okay. Next step, we need to turn on the interface. Okay? No shot. So, do show run. Tingnan natin kung merong sub-interface 10. Ayan, tama na yan. Okay? Sub-interface 10. VLAN 10. Subnet 10. Okay? How about subnet 20? Ezekiel. Ikaw. Ezekiel, tulungan mo ako. Ano gagawin ko? Subnet 20. Tama. Interface 0 slash. Fast Ethernet 0 slash.
20.
The 20. Tama. Next.
Encapsulation .1 Q.
20.
20.
Correct. And then IP address. Okay? 20.1, then subnet mask. Ganun lang, no? And then no shot. Thank you. Pwede mo na mute. Let's verify. Show run. Ay, hindi pa. Do show run. Hindi ko nalilimutan. Ilan na yung bilan natin? .1, .10, bilan 20. Saan pa? 30 naman, 30. Sino kaya tatawagin? Adrian naman. Sir Adrian, tulungan niyo ako. Gusto kong gumawa ng bilan 30.
Sir.
Interface, tama. Fast Ethernet 0/0.
So that's
Sub-interface 30. Okay? Then encapsulation.
encapsulation POP 1
Then, VLAN 30. Tama.
Yes, sir.
Then IP address 192.168.30.1. Then subnet mask.
555.
Then no shit. No shot. Okay. O yan, may 30 na ako. Show run. Okay? Bilan 1, 10.